guys! What are we doing today?
We're making Halloween slime! Guys, we're not telling you what Halloween slime we're making. How about you guess? Okay, first you add the glue. I'm gonna add this. Oops, a bubble. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah, I think mine is also all. Okay, let's add some in there.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay, let's add everything.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, I'll add a little bit more in mine because I think Gabby got more. We actually got a lot more than you. Well, that's okay. Let's put the paint now.
Tabby says blue and Gabby says
Wait,
green. It's okay.
We add this first or the activator?
Activator first.
Okay. Scared. Let's just add a little bit first.
Yeah. A little bit at a time, okay, Gabby?
Because in the
And your pirate slime, remember?
squid on the sides. I think this is almost done. Look at this. Just need to stir it. No more activator. Oh wait, I think yours needs more activator, right? Mine's already turning into slime.
Add more paint. Yeah, since that paint didn't work.
Yeah.
Because it was already dry.
A doopity doo. Okay, where's my stick? Oh, here. Ah, really dark.
It should be, I think.
Pour it, Mommy. Which one will look better? Look, this is the light blue. Do you think it looks good, Daddy? Oh my! Oh. Look guys, it looks like a river. It's a river blue. It's like Riverdale. That's Mommy, this is my dress. Yeah.
Okay, so river and grass.
Should we knead it now? This?
Is it ready? No, first you put the foam.
Hands, yeah, shake.
Shake. Okay, it's enough.
Oh, it's already becoming lighter, right? Look at that. It looks so pretty. Look
Mix
at
yourself.
that. Guys, look. Look at that. Looks so nice. It's so sticky, Mommy.
Yeah, you have to mix it. And then it
People
won't be
say that-
sticky anymore.
Ooh, look at the bubble. I'm already having fun with this slime. People say it can't stretch much, but it's actually really stretchy. Maybe it's because we added more glue than shaving cream, right? I'm ready to do the crunch. Woo! Some crunch. Get some crunch. Get some crunch. Can I feel your slime? Because I don't have any. Ooh, it actually feels really good. It's like Nickelodeon slime, right? The green Nickelodeon slime. How about you try to like? Wow. Okay, let's add the glitter now. Can I add my glitter? Wait, can I get a glitter like that? No, mine. So I'm gonna cut it by here. Cut. That's all that glitter, right, Mommy? That's all that glitter, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Go. Got it over. everything. Because it might be stiff. So we'll just add a little bit. I think this looks good, right?
It won't show if it's only a little bit. You put everything, I think.
Ah, it's too much though. Because I don't want it to really be activated. No, I don't want it to be stiff. Really fluffy slime. Oh yeah, you can't really see it. I think that's too much. Or maybe it looks pretty already. Is it for like the fur? Because it's so that's your clue. It's furry, right? And then Gabby's is kinda.
Gabby's is green, yours is blue. Those are the clues so far, and yours is furry. Okay, and then let's put more glitter on yours, Gabby. What about this green glitter?
More. So pretty, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Oh, just a little one. Wait, is it stiff?
Let me see. Oh, it's not.
It's okay.
Yeah.
But it's just a little bit stiff.
So good.
Wait, but can I make a bubble? Here.
Wow.
All of that is so nice.
No.
Mommy, all of that
I
is so
almost
nice
did it.
and my slime.
Yep. Okay, let's get all of this too. Like,
Wait, can you move? I'm going to make a bubble. Oh! Hey! Oh no, it went to yours.
That's okay.
how's it looking so far?
This is mine.
But I can't really tell what it is. So what is it?
Guys, I'm going to make a
It's a wallet,
cinnamon
Mommy.
swirl. Cinnamon swirl
Mommy, I can't.
for you.
Mommy, no, I can't. Mommy, that's so young.
I'm going to make a cinnamon swirl.
How come mine is also so young?
Yeah.
So time to plate your slime. Put it on the plate, I guess, on the bowl. And
Here
then
is mine.
fix it. Show me who it is in the bowl.
This is my swirl.
Oh, nice swirl.
And this is.
And then I'll top it off with this. Ooh. There. Ooh.
Up first.
Okay.
You want-
and then
Yeah, you. Ooh. This is mine. I'm going to add a little bit more of this. Ooh, it looks so pretty.
okay, now put it in the bowl and dress it up, Gabby.
Yeah, dress it up.
Dress up your slime so the kids will know what it is. Cause I already have an idea,
And kids might actually think that this is a mermaid slime.
but it's not. Cause
Yeah.
this is a Halloween slime.
Yeah, mermaids are not Halloween. Only if they're witch mermaids.
Which mermaids?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Or cat mermaids.
Okay,
Witch
you
cat
got 2 minutes. Finish up your slime.
Like mix it.
Plate it now. Okay, Gabby's already putting the teeth. I guess it's a monster slime. And Gabby put an eyeball.
I think she won because I'm not yet done with this.
No, it's also missing something, Gabby. What's it missing, Gabby?
And then here I put the eyes on each side and they look so funny. Now, this is the next clue. Horns.
Horns. Okay, you have to make horns also, Gabby.
What has horns?
Let's try and read it.
There, you share it with Ate.
Okay, so guys,
So Gabby's done, and it's a green one-eyed monster. And
This-
this is
this
Tabby's monster. And it's what? A blue monster with Purple spots.
Guys, can you guess who these monsters are?
Mine is Marshmallow Celestine.
And this is Sally. Rah! Just kidding, it's funny. So did you like our slime, guys? What did you think of our slime? What do you rate it? Rate it on our Insta or comments.
Mommy.
ASMR. Remove the charms. Does it even stick onto them? Close the eyebrow. Eyes. Look at this. Guys.
Mommy, I will put this back in the drip.
Okay. Let's move this so you guys can see it. It's Sally. Oh, there's salt to follow though. Guess I added too much. Here, let's do this over Sully. Sully, no.
Let's do this over Mike. Mine didn't work, right?
Yeah, but it's okay. Mine also didn't work. I didn't go on all of them. Here, let's see. Can we do it, please?
Let's see mine. Please.
2.
1, 2.
Gabby, did you have fun?
Yeah.
That was fun, guys. Bye. Please subscribe. Happy Halloween. Subscribe and like the video or else Sully will haunt you in your dreams. Ooh. Ooh.
But Sully is a good guy. And also Mike, right? They're good
yeah,
guys.
I was just pranking. Guys, did you know that these teeth glow in the dark?